A very beautiful morning to one and all. Hello guys, welcome to the digital education system of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 7th, and guys, as you know कि in before time I already finished your up to chapter 7. So today I want to start a new chapter 8. Chapter name is ratio and proportion. At first, I want to tell you what do you mean by ratio and proportion. So, ratio means anupat and proportion means samanupat. How will you solve related to this related question to this very exercise, the chapter? So, for this, the rules for solving ratio problem. How will you solve a ratio question? So for this, when writing ratio, the number should be written in the order in which the problem asked for them. Suppose that if there were 4 girls and 7 boys at the body part. So what is the ratio of girls to first? So hint, what is hint? The question asked for girls of 2 boys. Girls of 2 boys. Therefore, girls will become at first and boys after. So 4 girls up to 7 boys means 4 ratio 7 means 4 by 7. Okay, and how will you solve it for proportion solving? So for this, cross multiply after the divide both sides by the number connected to the variable. How is that check the answer to see if it makes a true proportion. Okay, you see here this is solution. Okay guys, so without taking too much time, I want to start our new chapter. Question number 1 is that we express each of the following ratio in simplest form, 24 ratio 40. Okay, this is one big question. And next slide I will show you answer. Answer is here. 24 by 40. So at first you take the SCF of 24 and 40 to 8. So you divide this number both by 8, okay? So 24 divided by 8 by 40 divided by 8 means 8 3 is 24, 3 ratio 8 5 is 45, okay? 3 ratio 5. Next is that 13.5 ratio 50, okay? Or 135 ratio 150. So you take the LCM of 135 and 150 to 15. Okay, SCF of 135 and 150 to 15. You divide both number by 15. So 15 9s are 9 ratio, 15 10s are 10. 9 ratio 10. Okay, student, all of you understand? Next question is that 6 ratio 6 whole 2 by 3 ratio 7 whole 1 by 7 2. Or 6 3 is 18 to 20 by 3 ratio 7 2 is 14 1 15 by 4. At first you take LCM of 3 and 2, so 6, you change it into the like term, so 40 by 6 and 45 by 6, okay? You take 40 ratio 45, okay? SCF of 40 ratio 45, so 5, dividing this number by 5, so 45 divided by 5, so 8, and 45 divided by 5, 9, okay, 8 ratio 9. Same 1 by 6 ratio 1 by 9, so 3 ratio 2, okay guys. Now question number 2, we express each of the following ratio into simplest form. This is also same. 75 paise to 3 rupees, so value is not same, so 75 paise ratio 300 paise, okay, because 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, so 3 rupees equal to 300 paise. And after that you take the SCF of 75 and 300 to 75, you divide that number by 75, so 75 divided by 75 ratio 300 divided by 75, your answer will 1 ratio 4, okay. 1 meter 5 centimeter ratio 63 centimeter. So you take the same kind to 105 centimeter because 100 cm plus 5 cm. 105 cm ratio 63 cm. After that, you take the SCF of 105 and 63, so answer will 21. So you divide this number by 21, so 105 divided by 21, ratio 63 divided by 21. 105 divided by 21 means 5 are, so 5 ratio 3, 5 ratio 3. Okay, student. Now question number 3 is that this is also same. You understand by yourself and solve it. If you have any problem, then you discuss on my cell phone number. Question number 3 is that if A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 5 and B ratio C is equal to 9 ratio 14, find A ratio C. So at first you mention down what is given here. So A ratio B is equal to 7 ratio 5 means A by B equal to 7 by 5. And B ratio C is equal to 9 ratio 14 means B by C is equal to 9 by 14. Multiply by both sides, so A by B multiply B by C, okay, is equal to 7 by 5 multiply 9 by 14. You see here कि B and B is class here, so A by C is equal to 9 by 7 to the 14, so 9 by 5 to the 10, 9 by 10 means A ratio C is equal to 9 ratio 10. All of you understand? Next question is that if A ratio B is equal to 5 ratio 8 and B ratio C is equal to 16 ratio 25, find A ratio C. This is also same. Yet first you multiply by this side, so A by B multiply B by C. B and B is class here, so A by C is equal to 5 5 and 8 2 so 2 ratio 5. Okay. Now next question. A ratio B is equal to 3 ratio 5 and B ratio C is equal to 10 ratio 3. So find A ratio B ratio C. So A by B is equal to 3 by 5, B by C is equal to 10 by 3. So A by B is equal to 3 by 5 multiple 2 by 2. Okay, is equal to 3 2 ja 6 and 5 2 ja 10. Okay, in B by C is equal to B is equal to 10. Okay, 10 is here. So A by B is equal to 6 by 10 and B by C is equal to 10 by 30. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to 6 ratio 10 ratio 30. Okay guys. Now word problem question. Divide rupees 360 between Kunal and Mohit in the ratio 7 ratio 8. So for that question, the total amount is 360. And first you add the sum of ratio is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So Kunal shares equal to 7 by 15 multiply 360. Okay, 15 will plus 360 at 24. So 24 multiply 7 means 168 rupees. Means Kunal share is 168 rupees. And what is the share of Mohit? So Mohit share rate. So 8 by 15 multiply 360. 15 will plus 360 by 24. So 24 multiply 8 means 192 rupees. Okay guys. Now question number 10 is that what number must be added to each term of the ratio 9 ratio 16 to make the ratio 2 ratio 3. At first you consider let the number be f to added this term, then 9 plus f ratio 16 plus f is equal to 2 ratio 3. Okay, you write it into the fractional form, so 9 plus f by 16 plus f is equal to 2 by 3. You do the cross multiplication, so 3 multiple 9 plus f is equal to 2 multiple 16 plus f. After that you multiply 3 9 is 27 plus 3 f is f 3f is equal to 2 16 is 32 plus 2 f is 2f. After that 3f minus means you send 2f at left hand side. So 3f minus 2f is equal to 32 minus 27. Okay, f is equal to 5. So required number is equal to 5. Okay guys, all of you understand. So all of you solve all this question into your fair copies. So thank you and have a very wonderful day. If you have any problem, So you discuss on my cell phone number.